Welcome to a quick introduction to Salesforce, where we'll dive into understanding the vast capabilities of the Salesforce platform and how it can revolutionize your business. By the end of this session, you'll be able to define the Salesforce platform and comprehend the difference between no-code, declarative, and programmatic development. Many view Salesforce as a customer relationship management (CRM) system, managing customer data and fostering business processes. However, it's much more than just that. It's akin to saying a house is merely a kitchen. Salesforce comes packed with standard functionalities and out-of-the-box products to support various business activities. But, like a model house, these features might not embody the unique essence of your business. That's where the Salesforce platform steps in. It empowers you to customize and create what's distinctively yours, transforming those pre-built features into a tailored solution for your business success. Understanding Salesforce terms is crucial. A database is like a giant spreadsheet where information is stored. Objects are the tables holding specific data. Records are the individual data entries, and fields are the columns containing distinct information. Additionally, an org refers to your organization within Salesforce, a specific instance where these elements reside. You can unleash the power of the Salesforce platform for custom development, tailoring objects and functionalities specific to your business requirements. No-code development lets you customize without writing a line of code, using forms and drag-and-drop tools. This allows for powerful customization without the need for programming knowledge. Alternatively, programmatic development involves using tools like Lightning components for deeper customizations. But even without a programming background, you can create amazing functionalities on the platform. As you journey through Salesforce, understanding its terminology and leveraging the platform's potential, your business will thrive. To begin, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the App Exchange. Once on the App Exchange homepage, look for the Component Store section and select BrightSign App. Click Get It Now and log into the Salesforce account. Select Install in this org. Next, you'll be directed to a page where fill in the additional information. On the following screen, choose the installation type. Select Install for all users. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the BrightSign app for all users in your Salesforce org. First, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the Object Manager for the Event Registration Custom Object. Within the Event Registration Object settings, click on Fields and Relationships. To add the registration date field, click on the New Field button. Choose Date as the field type and follow the prompts to set up the field details. Now, let's add the Number of Attendees field. Click New Field again, select Number as the field type, and set the length to 18. Verify that the new fields, registration date, and number of attendees are successfully added to your custom object. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.